has been completely restored top to bottom. Beautiful wood bed with the stainless slats. All the suspension parts are new. The gentleman I bought it from said the engine, the transmission, everything's been done on the truck. New paint, new interior. That's rear mounted fuel tank. Beautiful leather interior. New carpet, new door panels. Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup video on a 1952 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. This truck has been completely restored top to bottom. I looked underneath of it, had it up with the hoists. All the suspension parts are new. The gentleman I bought it from said the engine, the transmission, everything's been done on the truck. New paint, new interior. What a gorgeous truck. Kind of a shadow gray, gunmetal gray, whatever you want to call it. But it is gorgeous. Beautiful wood bed with the stainless slats, rear mounted fuel tank. Beautiful leather interior, new carpet, new door panels. Chrome, I did it, tilt steering column, leather wrap banjo steering wheel, Dakota digital dash, low car shifter, nice stereo down there, nice cup holders, steering brakes, vintage heat and air conditioning, Flowmaster muffler, dual exhaust. New headliner. Radio works, Bluetooth stereo. Truck sounds great. Very nice paint and body. LED tail lights. Sounds great, runs great, drives great. All the glass is new in the truck, all the stainless trim around the windows, the door handles. Seats are super comfortable in this truck. Very nice center console, like I say. Nice cup holders too. A lot of these trucks, a lot of these vehicles they build, they don't put cup holders in them, and they're just, there's all your air conditioning and vintage air system under there. Hear the compressor kick on. Yeah, a lot of these trucks and cars they build, no cup holders in them. So you're driving down the road, and where do you put your drinks? Aluminum radiator, little crate 350 engine, Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, aluminum catch can, electric fan, exhaust manifolds, not headers, which I think is a good thing. Very nice firewall, all painted body color, inner fenders painted body color. The heater's hooked up, the air works. Riddler wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, 10-bolt rear end. Truck's got it all. It's gorgeous. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com. Hear that? See that AC kicked on? Truck's got a great sound to it. $59,900 we're going to price this truck at. Can't go build one for that. And like I say, everything on it is new. all the suspension parts up front, tie rod ends, the ball joints. I'll take pictures of that up on the hoist here in just a little bit. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KenyonAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Those of you who have, thank you very much. We really appreciate you. Gorgeous 1952 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. Beautiful gray paint. Beautiful black leather interior. Thanks for watching. Again, give us a call, 563-452-2450, KenyonAuto.com. I'll talk to everyone soon. Thanks for watching.